Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So today we'll be taking the last video under indices. This will be our last class under indices, and we've done this topic before, so we are just trying to bring it into indices. Writing numbers as product of prime factors. Writing numbers as product of prime factors. And then we have the example number one, write 225 as a product of its prime factors. Write 225 as a product of its prime factors. So let's see what we have. We talked about this when we're doing numbers. We wrote numbers as product of prime factors, but we are going to put the product of prime factors as okay in index form. That's the only thing we need to add. We need to put it in index form now. Okay, so let's see 225. Remember what we said, that we have to use prime factors. What are prime factors? Factors, numbers that can divide 225, but those numbers must be prime numbers. Those numbers must be prime numbers. So let's see what we have. So this number ends with 5, so we can use 5 to avoid much stress. 5 is a prime number. So 5 into 22, that will give us 4. Remember 2. 5 into 25, that will give us 5. You can still use 5. 5 into 49, 9. Please, you don't use 9 here. 9 is not a prime number, so we go to 3. 3 into 9, 3. 3 into 3, 1. So what do we have? So 225 as a product will be 5 times 5 times 3 times 3. So in index form, this will give us 5. 5 is 5 2 times, so 5 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2. You can decide to start from 3. This is 3 raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power 2. So this is all about writing a number as product of its prime factors in index form. So let's see the second one, 360 as product of prime factors in index form. This is a question that do comes in examinations. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, so let's see. So we have 360, and then you can start with 2. 2 here, 1, 2 into 3, 1, and then that 1, 2 into 16, 8, and here 0. 2 here, 2 into 18, 9, and then 0. And then 2 into 9, 4, and then that 1, 45. And then we can use 5. 5 into 45, that will give us 9. 3 into 9, 3, and 3 into 3, 1. So what do we have? We can say that 360 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 times 3. And what would that give us? This is equal to what? Now 2 times 2 times 2, that will give us what? That will give us 2 raised to power 3, because we have them 3 times. And then we can take the 3 first, times 3 raised to power what? 3 raised to power 2, and then times 5. 5 is just raised to power 1, so we just have times 5. And this is our answer. So this is all we are dealing with when we talk about writing numbers as product of prime factors in index form. So this is, we've added the index form to it. So you have activities here. Write the following as product of prime factors in index form. Please carefully go through them. The ones that need you to carefully look at factors that can divide them, please go through it. You've been taught how to check numbers that 3 can divide. 3 can divide. Very specific on that 3. Check numbers that 3 can divide. How do you check? Add the digit, the sum of the digits of that number. If it is divisible by 3, that means 3 can divide that number. Thank you for watching this video. So we've come to the end of our series on indices. So we look forward to the next topic. Thank you. Do well to like, to subscribe, and also share this amazing mathematics content to others. See you in our next class.